First measurable storm of the season. In its third hour now, and probably working on 3 inches in some spots locally. Probably 4 inches in the woods over here. And certainly some localized pockets down in the meadow for sure, 4 inches. There are some random deep pockets and spots down there, and there are. First substantially measurable snowstorm for the first winter in the past 3. Past couple of winters we've been spoiled with snow flurries, a dusting, maybe an inch. Although a couple of winters ago, Christmas, we got 3 inches out of that storm. And that was it, except for one storm in February of that winter. 1 inch, and that was it. 4 inches for that whole season. And now here we are making up for that in one storm. This could easily be 9 inches to a foot. Very easily. Higher elevations, I'd say probably foot to 18 inches, maybe 2 feet up near the summits and mountain peaks. Why not? They're up between 5,000 and 6,000 feet. Anything's possible up there. This location, we're 2,600 feet. Where I moved from, and about 4 hours, 5 hours south and east of here. I don't think they've ever gotten a white Christmas down there, at least not in my lifetime. But they did on the coast, Georgia, South Carolina. I think the southern part of North Carolina, just for the Outer Banks, they got a white Christmas. Christmas of '89, the same year Hurricane Hugo did its dirty work to Charleston and Columbia. And up here, I've been up here for 11 years. Back in December of 17, they downplayed that storm. About 1 to 3 inches and not even flurries. After it was all said and done, we got 14 inches here. Some places around here got 18 inches, 2 feet. That storm stuck around for, I believe, 2 weeks. Melted on the 18th of December, a week before Christmas. Some of us, including myself, thought we were going to get a white Christmas as long as it stuck around. Unfortunately, it fell a little bit short, but it was nice while it lasted. This one, it's going to be around for a while. There's another storm coming right behind this one in the coming week or so. I told him that one's going to dump on top of this one because there's going to be a layer of sleet coming down potentially. I think it's present between this layer of snow here and the one that falls on top of that layer of sleet. So it'll definitely be sticking around for sure. Even with highs in the 30s, some in the 40s. But here in this elevation, mostly in the 30s, if not some days below freezing. Well, yesterday we already had our coldest day of the season. It was 9. I'm sure the wind chill was probably minus single digits, minus tens. Up in the higher elevations, they've already had sub-zero weather. I'm sure the low in some of the higher elevations, mountain peaks and summits around here was very easily minus 10 to minus 20. Only know what the wind chill is up there because those winds up in those higher elevations, especially near those mountain peaks and summits, is unforgiving. It seems like it almost never stops blowing up there. Found out myself a number of years ago. I pulled off on an overlook in one of these overlooks up here and got in my car. And right after I got in my car, I got slammed in my car by the wind gust. It had to have been going at least 30, 40 miles an hour. It was quite an experience, to say the least. Well, it's anybody's guess what the next storm a week after this one's going to look like. I guess we'll find out.